You ready? Finley, what does the monkey say? What does the kitty say? Meow.
Meow.
What does a duck say? Quack, 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 quack. And what does the horse say? Neigh.
Neigh, yeah.
What does a cow say? Finley, what does a cow say?
Moo.
Moo. What does a lion say?
Oh, scary.
Finley, what does a fish?
Go ahead.
What does a fish say?
Fish.
Fish.
What does a sheep say?
Ba.
What does a doggy say? Yep. What does a bear say?
Boo.
Ooh.
Oh, it's scary bears.
Who is bear? Let's see. We might be down to the end.
How about a fish again?
What?
More
Finley,
milk? Okay.
what does a fish say? Finley, where is your nose? Where's your hair?
Oh, yes. That's it.
Where's your eye? Eye. Where's your eye? Where's your belly?
Good job.
That was a pretty good
Yay!
Good
Where's
job.
your... Oh,
All right.
who's on the bib?
Debbie's getting you some milk.
I think
Hey.
she wants to take it off because she's all done.
Debbie's getting you some milk.
Bye bye.
Okay, thanks, Ian.
You want milk?
Deb, you're dripping.